Algorand has instantly become a popular project among crypto enthusiasts. Ever since the success of Ethereum, many cryptocurrencies have been trying to compete with ETH, and Algorand is on the top of the contenders in Ethereum killer race. But why is Algorand unique? Why is it such a good investment, and what will it be worth in the next few years? These are all the questions that will be answered in today's video. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more content like this. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your phone number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scam comments and the spam comments in the comment section. In today's video, we'll cover 4 topics. Number 1, what is Algorand and what is its current worth? Number 2, why is Algorand a good investment? Number 3, Algorand Price Prediction 2023. Number 4, long-term ALGO price prediction. So first, what is Algorand and what is its current worth? Firstly, Algorand is an open-source blockchain network specifically built to solve the blockchain trilemma. The blockchain trilemma basically describes that blockchain developers face a trilemma where they can achieve only 2 of the following 3 goals: decentralization, scalability, and security. It's the first open-source, permissionless proof-of-stake blockchain. ALGO started at the price level of $0.105336, and since then till now, it has increased by almost 188% in just 2.5 years. As of the time of this video being made, Algorand is being traded for 30 cents. It has a 24-hour trading volume of $61,457,193 and a total market cap of $2,064,568,187. Algo currently ranks at 31 in the cryptocurrency market. Number 2, why is Algorand a good investment? Moving on, let's talk about some of the reasons why you should consider investing in Algorand. Firstly, understand this, that Algo is not about uniqueness, it's known for doing things better and efficiently. As discussed earlier, Algo is the first open source PPOS blockchain. Now, being a permissionless proof-of-stake platform, it has several benefits. Number 1 is that it allows its investors to earn a return simply by holding the coin. This staking process enables people to earn 12% APY. Number 2, it makes Algo significantly faster. Moreover, it operates on a modified proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which makes its transaction processing impressively efficient. One of the most notable features of Algo is its transaction speed, which stands at around 1,000 transactions per second. Algo is among the very few cryptocurrencies that have experienced zero downtime since its launch. So if I were to conclude why you should invest in Algo, then you can say that it's a protocol that is designed for high performance, delivering thousands of transactions per second with very low fees. Number 3, Algorand Price Prediction 2023. Now let's talk about the price prediction we have for 2023. For January, the price of Algorand is predicted to reach an average monthly limit of 43 cents, while the coin will trade in a range of 39 cents to 54 cents. Algo is predicted to give an average price level of 52 cents by the end of July. Algo could be trading at around a maximum value of 57 cents with a minimum expected price of 50 cents. In December 2023, the price of Algorand is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of 59 cents. The Algorand price value can reach a maximum of 70 cents with the average trading value of 61 cents. It's estimated that in 2023, because of the emergence of regulatory bodies to supervise cryptocurrencies, might cause the price action of Algo to stagnate for some time. Number 4, long-term Algo price prediction. If we move on to the long-term price of the ALGO coin, we see some impressive figures. If we assume the current growth, then by 2025 the average price level of ALGO coin would be around $1.22. However, some analysts assume that the price of Algorand could reach $5.18 by the middle of the decade. There is a reason for this assumption. A number of informed observers have indicated that Algorand could achieve this target by onboarding bleeding-edge DeFi, metaverse, and data privacy protocols onto its evolving platform. By 2030, the price of ALGO coin is predicted to stand at around $21.84. Now, I know that this figure may seem too much to you, but this may be possible if we continue to see sustained adoption of Algorand's blockchain network and periodic upgrades to its current ecosystem. That was it for today's video. Also, check out our video on the latest price prediction of the Shiba Inu coin. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.